So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the correct way how to hook up jumper cables if you have a Kia Optima or any car that has a tab right there. That is very important if you want to make a good connection to give your car a boost or receive a boost. As you can see, the jumper cable, the positive jumper cable is on incorrectly. It shouldn't be on the battery terminal or the battery thimble. It should be on this tab right here, that tab. So the first thing we want to do is we want to disconnect this, and we want to connect it to this tab. Make sure there's a good connection at the tab right there. That's how you want to connect your jumper cables. And a negative, you could just connect it to the negative side. The black side is negative, the red side is positive. So it should have a positive somewhere on the battery or the battery cover to indicate positive. And the negative sometimes don't have any indication. Just know that black goes to black, red goes to red. If you can't get a connection on the negative, find a piece of metal on the car and that will work just as well. Some people like to connect it to the hinges. Just make sure it's metal and not plastic, or any negative part on the car. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Black for negative, red for positive.